Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. You want to come inside my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go! I'm just playing, y'all. Hello everyone, how are y'all today? So today we've got a special one for you. If you are new to this channel, I am Q from the Humes Empire. D is behind the camera helping me out. But today we've got a special one for you. Our little man, he's gonna be doing a little modeling and things like that for you. And so we are going to show you what we bought him for the summer. So this summer he will turn 1, y'all. I'm not ready. Oh, my baby, he's gonna be a toddler. I'm not gonna have an infant anymore. And so I wanted him to look fly. I wanted him to look good this summer. I wanted him to be stylish. We're not rocking dinosaurs, okay? We're not rocking space cars and spaceships and trucks. We are gonna be stylish. He is gonna be styling and profiling. Y'all hear me? So I want to show y'all what we got from SHEIN. I hope I'm saying it right. SHEIN. Whoever want to correct me, put it in the comments. I'm gonna say SHEIN because I think that's what it's called. But we've got a few cute little items. So I wanted to just kind of give them a try to see how I really like their quality and their material before I just went haywire and went crazy, because it was so many cute things on there for baby boys. And let me tell y'all, baby boy clothes are hard to find. Let me tell y'all, because like I said, we don't do dinosaurs around here. We're not gonna do space cars. We're not gonna do trucks, none of that. Okay, I want him to look cute. Now he can wear a dinosaur shirt while he's, you know, roaming around the house doing his thing, playing. That's fine. But when he steps out or he crawl out, you know, whatever he decides to do, I want him to look nice. So these are the things that we got. So first item that we have is, I want to say I got this, I think I got this in a size 9 month. Now I was just buying some 9-month things because I wanted him to wear it now. And then I was also buying some 12 to 18 month items as well. So first item, and this is Bae's least favorite item. It's my favorite. But it says mama's boy on it because he is my little boy. He's my mama's boy. And then the shirt to match it. So this is what this material is like. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's definitely breathable. It's got some little holes in it. And so this is what this outfit looks like. Y'all can see. And then you get to see it on our little man. Now, like I said, this material is breathable. It's got mama's boy in black down the leg, and the shirt is like the tan, the white, and the black, and it's short sleeve. So it can be for, you know, when we're trying to get ready for spring. And you know, trying to get ready for that hot weather, but it's not quite here yet. So this is nice, and just to keep your little man warm, and you can throw it on with a nice blue jean jacket. Next item we have, now I'm pretty sure this is a 12-month outfit because this is definitely a summer outfit that I got. Our big man. Now this is my husband's favorite. This is Bae's favorite. Cooler version of dad. Not saying that dad is not cool, because you know that's the first thing that he said when he saw this. Not saying that dad is not cool. He is so cool, but Legend is a cooler version. Okay, he's a cooler version. Now this is a tank, and it's got cooler version of dad in white with some shades. So of course, you know, he got to wear some shades with that. And then it comes with the little camo shorts, and it's got the little drawstring on there. It has pockets. My man Lil Gun's gonna be out. He's gonna be so cute. So cute. Here is our next little outfit. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it already. Let's see how to open this up. Oh, I love it already. Oh, look at it. Look at the little pocket on there. Oh my gosh, isn't that the cutest? Little pocket, yellow shirt with the matching shorts, of course. Oh, my man gonna be styling, y'all. Y'all ain't ready to see my man this summer. Y'all ain't ready for him. Y'all ain't ready. And if you are not, follow him on his Instagram, okay? He does have an Instagram. Legend is the name. His Instagram name is Legend is the name. Now these shorts do not have pockets, but that's okay. If my man got some little money, his mama can hold on to it for him until he gets to the bubblegum machine. So next little outfit, my man is a little king. Do you hear me? So I'm excited to see this little outfit. Let's see here. Now this outfit is yellow and black. So it's got, again, this is a tank. So he's ready for the summer, little king. And then he's got the shorts to match it right here. These are the shorts. This is what they look like. And the material is all cotton. It feels cotton. Now these pants do not have pockets on them. So no pockets here. But really cute little outfit. Like, again, like I said, my man got a little money in his pocket. Mama can hold it until he gets to that bubblegum machine. So I'm gonna make sure I hold his money for my little man. But this is a super cute outfit, yellow and black. And my husband is an alpha, so this will be definitely a cute little outfit for him and my husband to go out on when they're wearing their gold and black. This is the next outfit. It's so colorful. Let's open it up and see what's in here. If I can find, here it is. So the colors, let's see, let's open it up first. Alrighty, look at this. Look, these are the pants. Very colorful, very colorful. Here is the shirt. The shirt has one side of it the same pattern as the pants. Now this set came in a lot of different colors, but I chose this color scheme. The colors in here are, of course, the main color is black. It's a black shirt with the black shorts, but on it are like a turquoise blue, a green, like a seaweed green. You've got lime green, you have tan and orange. So these are the colors that I chose. I feel like with my man's skin complexion, this is gonna look really good on his skin. As you already see, my man is sharp. You hear me? He is sharp. And I think that this is a very cool outfit. Here is the next outfit. Oh, y'all know my man gotta have his little bougie outfits too. He gotta have his little bougie outfits. So this is what it looks like. Here's the shirt. Let's take the paper out. So here's the shirt here. He's gotta have his little polo, yes. Look at that, isn't that adorable? And look, it has all the animals on there. It's got a cheetah, flamingo. Let's see, it has a zebra on there, a parrot. Oh, it's so cute. I love this, I love this. And then here are the matching shorts to go with it. It brings out the collar and here's the little pocket here. Now these shorts feel like cotton. Now the shirt is really soft. It's got that polyester, but it feels like the pocket here is the cotton material as well as the collar. So the collar and the pocket are the same material as the shorts. Now these shorts do not have pockets on them. It's so funny, like babies need pockets. They don't need pockets, but some of these outfits do come with pockets, and I think that's just the cutest thing. But this outfit does not have pockets on it. This is really cute. I love this. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for him to see him in this outfit. I know he's gonna look so stinking cute. Here is the next outfit. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? I love this. This is real cute. All right, let's open it on up. All righty, let's see here. So this is what the shirt looks like. Oh, I love this. How it's got the patterns going back and forth. Oh, I love this a lot. And then this is what the back looks like. It's just plain. It brings the solid to the back. So I really like this. And then the pants to match, they have like a little cuff in them down there, right there. Now these pants don't have pockets on them. Now the material almost feels like a linen suit, but a little bit thicker than a linen suit. And so it's got that, yeah, I'm gonna say that's what it feels like. And so this is some nice material. It's nice and thick, but I still think it's breathable for the summertime. I think this is really cute if he has like a little Saturday outing, or going to church on a Sunday or something like that, or you know, he just want to go somewhere, and he wants to style and profile. So I really like this outfit. It's a very nice outfit. You can dress it up, dress it down, depending on where you're going. It's really cute. Here is the next outfit. Oh, I'm already loving the colors of this outfit. It's really cute. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I love that. I love that. Look at that, the paper's falling out. Look at that. I love these different sleeves. This is so nice. The different sleeves, the blue, the navy on this side, and then the brown on this side. I love that with the tan shirt. So this is what the shirt looks like. And then here are the pants. So one side is tan, the other side is just cream with the navy pants. So it's bringing out, I mean, I love how this looks. I mean, it's bringing out the sleeves. I really like this. Now, y'all, don't ask me what this says because I don't know. But as long as it's not nothing out of line, it's cute. And I will put this on him now. I'm pretty sure that is a 9-month outfit. So I would have him wear this now because, you know, we're in a time of where it's cool some days, hot some days. He can throw his blue jean jacket on with that, and we can keep it moving. He can be styling and profiling and still be warm. Here is another outfit that I found on the website. I think this is super cute. Like I mentioned, you know, our son is turning 1. And so I just wanted to find something for him to take, if he wants to take some pictures in it, or if we just want him to wear it the week of his birthday or the day of his birthday, it doesn't even matter. But it says birthday boy on it, and it's super cute. This material is really soft. It's blue. It's like navy and light blue with black writing. Of course, you know we gotta have some shades on for my man, because again, it is his day. It's his birthday. Honestly, we're gonna be celebrating all month, so if he want to wear it after his birthday, he can do that too. Now here are the pants. The pants are really soft. I love this material. Just look really beachy and summery for his birthday, because he is a summer baby. I really like that. Here is another outfit, and y'all, this outfit is special. You know why? Because I bought Legend and B matching outfits, so they're gonna wear this outfit together. It's got the palm tree, ready for summer. This is a tank. I'm pretty sure I got this in 12-month size. So you got the, you know, blush is the color. So, you know, men wear pink too. So got him some pants to match. Now these pants have pockets on them. They've got pockets. And honestly, these kind of feel like swimming trunks a little bit. Put him on his little swim diaper and he can wear these as swimming trunks. To be honest, that's the type of material it feels like. But they've got the palm trees on them. The palm trees are navy with the pink and blush and light blue right there. Y'all see those pockets? Look at that. That is too stinking cute. I love this. I love this outfit. So let me show you D's version. This is what D's looks like. Now I'm gonna have to look back at my order, y'all, because I'm missing the pants. Now don't tell me that I wasn't reading good enough and you're supposed to buy the pants separately. Now that's gonna make me mad. So let me find out. But this is the shirt. So even if they don't have the same pants, it's okay. They've got the same shirt. I can always figure something out with the pants. But that is their little matching outfit. How cute is that? All right, very last outfit. Look at this. This is so cute. Let's open it up. Let's see what's going on here. Here's another tank. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? This is probably gonna be another 12-month outfit here. And here are the pants. It brings out the little pocket here. So here are the pants. They feel real nice. These pants almost give me like those jogger pants because of how the in between the legs area is. It's pretty low. So That's what these pants look like. They do not have pockets on them, but they have the nice plant that is on the pocket on the shirt. Yeah, and the way these pants feel, they feel very, very soft, like very soft material, and the shirt is like typical cotton material, and that's how it feels to me. So this is a really cute outfit as well. And my man is ready for the summer, y'all. Now, last thing, I did get some socks. So here are the colors of the socks that I got. I got him some socks. Of course, you can never go wrong with black and white socks. So I got him some black and white socks, and then I got some of these socks. Now, I do want to go back on that and get him some more brighter socks, but I just wanted to kind of see what these socks look like, because some of these socks, you know, can go with whatever, especially like the gray, the green, the white, the blush, you know, things like that. And even the mustard, depends on what you're wearing, because he does have a mustard outfit over there. So just trying to see how the socks look to me. So I'm probably gonna order him some more. You can never have too many socks when it comes to a baby, because you know you may have your favorite pair of socks and then the dryer eats one. It happens all the time. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing your man in these clothes, and I hope he enjoys his clothes. And so until next time, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you share this video out. Some people are looking for some baby boy clothes to wear, so share this video out so they can see what's out there. And there's more out there than dinosaurs and race cars and trucks. I promise it is. More clothes out there for the little boys out there. And so other than that, you all have a great rest of your day and be blessed out there. Bye.